I have to admit, Elon Musk knows how to provoke South Africans, and he knows how to do that because he knows how to lie. And the biggest lie he has came out with is saying that the South African laws that we have now, that they claim discriminate against white people, are the same laws that the apartheid government had. I mean, he's comparing the ANC government to the apartheid government. How is that even possible? It's not even comparable. Are these the laws that Elon Musk is talking about? The Group Areas Act of 1950 that forced racial groups to live in separate areas, leading to mass forced removals, and also the Pass Laws Act that required black South Africans to carry passports to move or work outside designated areas, or even the Bantu Education Act of 1953 that was created as an inferior school system designed to limit black South Africans to menial labor. So, does it mean that are there any classifications right now? Because even right now the curriculum of schools is that everyone is doing the same curriculum from Western Cape, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Eastern Cape, whatever. We are doing the same curriculum, and there are no white people or Europeans that are being forced to live in separate areas from the rest of the people. Even facilities, because there's also the Separate Amenities Act of 1953 that forced racial segregation in public facilities like parks, buses, toilets, and beaches. Right now, everyone can attend the beaches, even though when it comes to the parks, there are private parks, even in Randburg, around Joburg, even Joburg between Mandela Bridge and Bree Taxi Rank, there's a private park there where no one goes there. So there are private parks where people can have their own privacy, and guess who wants privacy most of the time? It's Europeans. So I don't know what Elon Musk is talking about as to if South Africa is discriminating against Europeans, because the ANC, the South African government, is trying to create everyone to be equal on an equal basis. No one is being discriminated, no one is being left out. In fact, the ANC is the best government ever since South Africa's inception, ever since governments were made in South Africa. The ANC government is just doing its best to redress past problems.